Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get muffled audio in CapCut Mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut mobile application, and as you can see guys that I have imported my audio to this CapCut project, and I'm going to make this audio sound muffled. First of all, we can tap on the audio, and then we're going to tap on it again, and here we're going to add a voice effect to this audio so we can get the muffled sound. You can click on the voice effect, and here I'm going to show you what kind of the voice effect we can use to make our audio sound muffled. You can go to the retro category, and here you can select final, megaphone, or the lo-fi, and I'm going to try it one by one. For the final and megaphone, and the last one is oops, sorry, and the last one is the lo-fi. Where is it? This one. Click on the lo-fi. Okay, and I think the megaphone sounds better, so I'm gonna go with this megaphone effect. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can make our audio sound muffled, or how to get muffled audio in CapCut mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.